Welcome Credit Warriors to the first episode on my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen and I have been in the credit control game for over 20 years. So let's get stuck into the video.
Today, we'll be exploring the ancient Japanese code of Bushido and how its principles can be applied to modern credit management. If you want to sharpen your skills and bring honor to your profession, keep watching. Let's do a little introduction to Bushido and its principles. Bushido, or the way of the warrior, is a Japanese term that describes the moral code of conduct for samurai. This code is built on 7 key principles: integrity, respect, courage, honor, compassion, honesty, and loyalty. While it might seem like an unlikely connection, these values can actually provide valuable guidance for credit managers like us. Now let's take a quick look at each principle and its relevance to credit management. Integrity. Credit managers should make honest assessments and be consistent in their decisions. By acting with integrity, they can build trust with clients and colleagues and create a fair system for extending credit. Respect. In credit management, respecting the rights and needs of both the organization and the borrower is crucial. Credit managers should treat all parties involved with dignity and consideration, understanding the potential impact of their decisions. Courage. Credit managers must have the courage to make difficult decisions, even when they may be unpopular. They should stand by their assessments and principles, knowing that the long-term health of the organization depends on it. Honor. Credit managers should uphold their professional reputation and the reputation of their organization by maintaining high ethical standards and refusing to engage in dishonest practices. Compassion. Credit management often involves making tough decisions that affect people's lives. Compassionate credit managers consider the needs of the borrower and the potential consequences of their decisions while also taking into account the organization's best interests. Honesty. Accurate, transparent, and honest reporting is essential in credit management. Credit managers should provide clear information about credit terms, risk assessments, and lending decisions, ensuring that all stakeholders have the necessary information to make informed decisions. Loyalty. Loyalty to one's organization and its stakeholders is an important aspect of credit management. Credit managers should prioritize the interests of the organization, while also considering the needs of the borrower and the larger community. Now that we understand the basic principles of Bushido, let's see how they can be applied to different areas of credit management such as trade credit, export credit, and consumer credit. For trade credit, the principle of integrity can guide credit managers to establish fair and transparent terms with suppliers. In export credit, loyalty and honesty become crucial as managers must prioritize the interests of their organization and accurately assess risks. And in consumer credit, a balance of compassion and courage can help credit managers make tough decisions when approving or denying loans, always considering the impact on individual borrowers. So how do you balance integrity, loyalty, and discipline in credit decisions? Bushido teaches us that credit managers must strike a balance between integrity, loyalty, and discipline. These qualities ensure that credit decisions are made ethically while also safeguarding the interests of the organization and its stakeholders. To achieve this balance, credit managers should establish clear decision-making frameworks and consistently apply them, taking the time to review and update their policies as needed. This not only protects the organization but also ensures fairness and transparency for customers. To see the real-world impact of Bushido-inspired credit management, let's look at some possible examples. In the automotive industry, a well-known car manufacturer may have adopted the Bushido principles in their credit management strategy, resulting in reduced delinquency rates and improved customer satisfaction. By demonstrating integrity and compassion, they fostered long-term relationships with their clients, which contributed to their strong market presence and customer loyalty. Another example comes from the world of finance. A prominent bank, known for its export-focused services, used the principles of loyalty and honesty to build a reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. This approach allowed them to successfully navigate the complexities of international trade finance and ultimately led to increased export sales and market share for their clients. A third and final example. In the renewable energy sector, a large multinational corporation with numerous subsidiaries and joint ventures plays a crucial role in promoting clean energy solutions. The credit manager in such a group is responsible for overseeing credit control decisions across the organization. Key responsibilities include assessing creditworthiness for project financing, managing supply chain financing, handling customer financing, and overseeing intercompany financing. These tasks are essential for maintaining the financial stability and growth of the group, ultimately contributing to the broader goal of promoting renewable energy solutions. Relating this back to the concept of Bushido, the traditional code of the samurai, the credit manager must exhibit similar values such as integrity, honor, and loyalty. They must act with honesty and fairness when making credit decisions, protecting the company's interests while ensuring access to credit for those who deserve it. By upholding these values, the credit manager can maintain the group's financial stability, contributing to a sustainable and clean energy future for all. Are there any potential drawbacks and challenges? Of course, adopting the Bushido code in credit management isn't without its challenges. Let's discuss some potential drawbacks and obstacles you might face while implementing these principles. First, finding the right balance between compassion and discipline can be difficult. Credit managers must make tough calls, and it's not always easy to strike a balance between leniency and firmness. Second, implementing Bushido principles may require changes to your organization's policies and practices. This can be met with resistance from colleagues who are more accustomed to traditional methods. Finally, staying true to the principles of Bushido may sometimes conflict with short-term business objectives. As a credit manager, you may face pressure to prioritize immediate gains over long-term relationships. Conclusion. While there are challenges to adopting the Bushido principles in credit management, the benefits of this approach can be significant. By incorporating the values of integrity, loyalty, and discipline into your daily practice, you can foster strong relationships with clients, reduce risk, and enhance your organization's reputation. Embracing the way of the credit warrior can lead to a more rewarding and fulfilling career. As you work in harmony with these timeless principles, balancing the needs of the organization, the clients, and the community. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of Bushido and credit management. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, may your path as a credit warrior be guided by the principles of Bushido.